Hi, welcome to Hi Chess, the YouTube channel where you learn different domains of chess for free, including opening, traps, strategies, and much more. Just hit on this subscribe button and click on bell notification so that we can get notified whenever a new video is updated in this YouTube channel. Date, CVC, and submit and checkout, then you'll be getting 20% of what they have paid this website. So see here, 20 into 20 divided by 100, that is $4. So if we every day if you get at least 10 people, you get $40. In 1 month you will get $1,200. $1,200 every month you can earn by this website by simply referring. You just need to get 10 people every day. So for 30 days you'll make this money. For Indian people, $1,200 into, let's say, $70 rupees. So 84,000 every month Indians can earn with this site using affiliate marketing. I hope you got the potential of this affiliate marketing through www.highchess.com. Hi, in this video we will learn how to earn money using highchess.com. Just type highchess.com. Okay, when you come here you can see highchess.com. When you come here, click on become an affiliate. Okay, so you can see here you need to register. Click on register. See, you should be careful in this state. If you are in US, you can select any of these states, but if you are not in US, click on outside US. Okay, and select the country India if you are in India. Just click here, click on submit application. See, now see whatever email ID you have registered, go and check in that email inbox. You can see here you have got a message, hi chess. Okay, see, this is the email ID, this is the password. Okay, you can see here login URL. Use the use the right mouse button and just click on open link in new tab. Otherwise, you simply click on the login URL. You can see here. Okay, now password. Just put the password sent to you in email by HRS. Okay, click on login. See, this is your affiliate dashboard. Okay, in this, click on edit profile. Go down. See, this is how the HRS pays to you. Okay, payment details. Click on PayPal transfer. Okay, and here put your PayPal email ID. Your PayPal email ID is like a bank account number for PayPal. Okay, so if you don't know if you don't have a PayPal email ID, just go to YouTube and search how to create a PayPal account. Okay, after that, after you create a PayPal account, okay, let me show you in brief. See, this is PayPal. Click on, click next. So like this, you go to this, you finish the PayPal, then you will get PayPal email ID. Okay. So that email ID here you should put. That can be a Gmail ID also. Okay. Just put that email ID here. Okay. And then click on save changes. Okay. So after that, once you have put PayPal email ID, just save it and after click on creatives. See here, this is your payment. Sorry, this is your affiliate link. Just go there, copy it, open a notebook, notepad or text pad, something, anything like that. Just put it here. This is the affiliate link. Okay, so this is my own affiliate link. Let me change it. Okay, see, this is the affiliate link. Okay, so first step, become an affiliate for HRS.com. That is over. Next, get the affiliate link from HRS.com. This is the affiliate link. Okay, in Facebook, become member of chess groups. Okay, so go to Facebook. Click here, chess. Got it? So there are plenty of chess groups. Okay. Just click on it. See here, join group, you can click on join group and all. There will be a small form, you just fill it. And after the administrator approves it, you become member of chess group. Okay. And fourth one is get quotes chess images from Google. Okay. Okay. Just type Google, not mail, only Google. www. Okay. Now here click on, type here copy write free images. Just type chess. See, there are so many images. Okay, just download it. If it is, I will mention a website here. Pixabay. Okay. See, so many images for free. Just select size. Just select some size. So otherwise simply you select large size images. Maybe this one. I would recommend you to select color images. Maybe something like this. Free download. So you can check whatever size you need. I would recommend you to go for a larger size. Something like this. Just click download. Okay, the image is getting downloaded here. Okay, so we can check show in folder. See, there's an image here. See, this is the image. Like that, you can download any number of images. Okay, so and apart from this, we need chess codes. See, there are plenty of codes. Nobody even won HS by resigning and all those things. You just copy it, okay, and put it in a text like this. Okay, these are different codes I have copied from the internet. Okay, so chess codes, chess images, finished. Put chess image or chess code in Facebook post in your Facebook profile. Okay, now what we'll do? Go to Facebook. Here, just click here, see photo, just go and select the for whichever chess image you want. So this image is in download sections, right? Users, downloads. This image. See the image. Otherwise, you can even put some code, whichever you got from the internet. This code or something. How to put the code? Just Control C. Okay. See, this is how you put the code. So putting image, if not the code, is different thing. After putting it, what you should do is, this is a compulsory thing, don't forget. This is the affiliate link which I got from highchess.com. So just copy this, put it here. Okay, and after that just post. See, I have put a quotation so I can remove the image. If not, the image is there, image is good looking, so I will just remove the quote. Okay, but if you want, you can put both image and quote. Okay, and hit post. Okay, so after we do this, click on share. Share to group. See, I have become a member of so many chess groups. See, if I scroll. So like this, you should become a member of chess groups. Okay. So click share, share to group, and whatever chess groups are there, in all those things, you need to share it. How? See, click here, post. Click here, share to group, and another group. Okay, you just need to do it, that's all. Okay, see, the image is there and the affiliate link of yours is here. So if someone clicks on this, what will happen is, I think it's taking too much time. So, in simple, what will happen is the person will come to a website, this website. So, because of the affiliate link, whoever come to highchess.com, if they become member of the website, then you will get a share the money which they pay. Okay. So apart from Facebook, you can try this in different social media files like Instagram, Telegram, and all. So this is how you make money using highchess.com. Thank you. Share this video with others, your family and friends. Make money by sitting in the comfort of your home using a laptop or internet. You can also try this with your mobile phone also. Thank you. Take care. Okay. Apart from Facebook, you can try this in Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest, and all those things. At the same time, you can choose WhatsApp also. Just hit whatsapp.com, web.whatsapp.com. You will get this. In your Android phone, go to WhatsApp and there will be three dots at the top right of the WhatsApp profile. Click on it. Click on WhatsApp web in your Android phone and scan the QR code which is on the desktop. See, I just scanned it using my mobile phone. So I got this. Okay. Hi. I got this website where you can learn chess to be a grand master. Now put the link. Okay, so instead of sending to individual people, you can send it to WhatsApp groups. You can create WhatsApp groups. See, new group. Okay, this is how by using Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Instagram, Pinterest, and all those things to share this link and make money. Thank you for watching this video. Make money at the same time enjoy learning chess. So if you want to become a chess teacher, please do contact if you like to become franchise, then contact 09844229094. If you like to teach chess to some more children or people, then you should sign up with us. For that, you will be having franchisee of our academy. this is the number which you should connect through WhatsApp. If you sign up with us, we will help you to take attendance online. Give exams and tests online. We will allow your students to participate in chess tournaments organized by us. So this is the benefit you get if you become franchisee for us. From our website, you're free to learn anything, but you are not supposed to teach it to anyone without our written permission. So you can become franchisee for our academy. So learn chess, enjoy playing chess, make money from www.highchess.com by having affiliate link. Thank you. Take care.